Hi, welcome to the Askaa Vlogs YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Mozilla Firefox browser for Windows 10. As a first step, if you are not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and click the bell icon to get all my new updates. To download Mozilla Firefox browser, you should have any web browser. So now, open your web browser and type Mozilla Firefox in Google and press the enter key. Then click on the download Firefox browser on the top of the page. And now click on the download Firefox. Just wait for a while until download complete. Double click on the downloaded file and minimize the browser and click on the run. If you don't want to sync and sign up, click the start browsing. If you need to sync and sign up, enter your email or search on the search bar any website as you like. I'm searching here for example as a YouTube. You can search anything you want or any website. If you like the video, make sure thumbs up, and if you have any doubt, let me know in comment section. If you need more videos, check out in my channel. Thank you for watching.